How to transfer money from Venmo to debit card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can transfer money from Venmo to debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, transferring money from Venmo to debit card is actually quite simple. First of all, you open the Venmo app and make sure that you log into your account. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right of the screen of the Venmo app. Once you do that, go to the wallet tab from the very top left of the screen, and once you go to the wallet tab, just select add a bank or card, right? So when you select add a bank or card, you can actually choose to enter your card details there, and once you enter your card details, you will be able to transfer money from Venmo to this particular card or bank over there. This way you will be able to transfer money from Venmo to bank. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.